Today, Peppa and George are playing in the sand. Yippee! I love to play in the sand. George, are you comfortable? No. Oh, come on, George. This is fun. Yeah, this is so much fun. I love burying you. Woo, woo, woo. I can't breathe. Come on, Bingo. Let's play in the water. Oh, hello. Don't mind us. We're just passing through. Bingo, where are you? Oh, I'm here, Bluey. I don't see any water around here, Bluey. Keep coming. Okay. Oh, I think they were just passing through. I'm done with this. I'm gonna go play with Bluey and Bingo. Well, I guess it's just us now, Susie. Yep, just me and you. Ah, this isn't my swamp. Peppa is gonna be the driver. George is gonna be the little passenger. Boom, 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 boom. Woohoo! This little buggy is so much fun. Woo! I don't see any fun in this place. I'm out of here. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Peppa Pig right here on Disney Collector. Vroom, vroom. Whee! Oh no, Bingo, we can't find any water. That's okay, Bluey. We can just play in the sand. Alright, let's go dig. No, you dig. Come on, you can dig. No, you do it. I just wanna relax. Oh, fine. I'll dig. Okay. Relaxing? Yeah, it's nice. Oh, don't forget to subscribe for many more Bluey adventures.